Why can biological siblings, that is, they share the same biological mother and father, be so different? They have different genes. Meiosis leads to genetic variation through genetic recombination. There are two common ways to get genetic recombination in the process of meiosis. Genetic recombination creates unique gametes. Genetic recombination refers to the gene being mixed up or shuffled. One way it occurs is during metaphase of meiosis 1. The green chromosomes are from mom, the blue chromosomes are from dad. In metaphase, homologous pairs from mom and dad line up randomly. It doesn't matter if mom's chromosomes are on the left or right and vice versa for dad. For example, mom's chromosome is on the left here and on the right here. Or now both of mom's chromosomes are on the left. Now each one of the 23 pairs can have mom or dad chromosomes lined up on either side. So that is a lot of variation. Then, depending how the chromosome homologous pairs line up in metaphase of meiosis 1, after they separate in anaphase of meiosis 2, you will get different gametes from the single cell. For example, it could look like this arrangement or this arrangement. Each of the gametes, sperm and egg, are unique. All 4 of these are genetically different. Another way genetic recombination occurs is during prophase of meiosis 1. Recall that in prophase 1, homologous pairs of chromosomes find each other and link up. For example, chromosome number 4 from mom finds chromosome number 4 from dad and links up. Here, homologous chromosomes can swap parts, which is called crossing over. For example, this arm of mom in blue can switch with the same exact part of the arm from dad in green. So they just switch. Then the rest of meiosis proceeds as normal. Notice that depending on how the homologous pairs switched parts are crossed over in prophase of meiosis 1, you will again get 4 different gametes from the single cell. Each woman, through genetic recombination and meiosis through random lineup and crossing over, can make over 8 million different types of eggs. Same for the man. He can make over 8 million different types of sperm. Then, any random sperm can fertilize any random egg, so there are over 64 trillion different possibilities for a single zygote from the same mother and father. That is why no two single siblings are exactly alike, except for identical twins. This is how we get what we call genetic diversity.